Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting and cleaning the chocolate wrapper so it's safe to handle and reuse. Once washed and dried, flatten the foil or plastic layer. Make sure to remove stuck chocolate with a soft cloth. Next, trim jagged edges and separate liners if multi-layered, because a single clean layer is easier to fold or mold. These steps set a reliable base. Without them, later folds and seals won't hold, and glues or heating won't work as expected. You now transform the cleaned wrapper into a new object by folding, cutting, or layering. Start with precise creases to create structure, and use templates for repeatable shapes like envelopes or ornaments. If combining pieces, align grain and shiny sides for aesthetics, then secure with small spots of glue, double-sided tape, or a low-heat press. Make sure to test on a scrap first. Once done, reinforce stress points with an extra strip, so you finish by sealing and storing the repurposed wrapper so it performs as intended. Press seams firmly. Use food-safe tape for containers or apply gentle low heat to bond folds. Always protect the surface beneath. Store flat or inside a rigid box to prevent new creases. If something goes wrong, like persistent wrinkles or weak joints, reheat briefly under a cloth and press with a flat weight, or trim and reinforce the failing area. This quick repair saves time and extends the life of the piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.